Hello students! Welcome to our online class for our science subject. Okay, are you ready for our new topic to be discussed? Great! Okay, before we'll proceed to our lesson proper, let us read first our vocabulary words. Okay, these are our three vocabulary words. Number 1, everybody repeat after the teacher. Soil. Again, please. Soil. Now, let us spell the word soil. S-O-I-L. Soil. Great. Okay. For our second word is water. Water. Let us spell the word water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Very good. Okay, let us proceed to our third word. Okay, the third word is the word air. Again, air. Let us spell the word air. A-I-R. Air. Very good. Okay, this time, our topic that we are going to discuss, it's all about soil. Again, please. Soil. Okay. Now, before we'll proceed, let's watch first a short video clip.
In this program, we're going to learn about soil. What is soil? Soil is a substance that covers the ground. Soil covers much of the land on Earth and is made up of a mixture of different things. One part of soil is made up from broken down rock. Soil is formed from the weathering of rocks and minerals. Weathering is when wind, rain, frost, and sunlight break rocks down into smaller particles. Another part of soil is made up of decaying plants and animals, referred to as humus. Humus is very important to soil. Humus improves the soil's health and productivity. Humus adds nutrients to the soil. It also soaks up water and keeps the ground moist. Plants and animals provide nutrients to the soil. For example, earthworms eat dead plants and animals. The waste materials that earthworms leave behind provide rich nutrients in the soil. Along with nutrients, healthy soil contains water and air. A plant's roots dig deep into the soil, creating passages for air and water. Healthy soil is one of the most important factors in growing healthy plants. Soil is formed over a long period of time. 1 inch of soil can take 1,000 years to form. There are 3 main types of soil. They are clay, silt, and sand. Clay is made up of small grains. It is dense and usually moist. Silt soil feels smooth and silky. It contains plenty of humus and is the best soil for a garden. It's packed with nutrients. Sandy soil is made up of large particles, and it feels gritty when you touch it. Sandy soil is found in deserts and along beaches. Soil enables plants to grow by supplying the plant with nutrients and water. And soil is home to millions of living organisms, like insects and worms. Soil is very important to life on Earth.
Okay, that is so interesting, right? Yes. Did you enjoy the video? Great. Okay, let us continue about soil. Okay? what soil is made of? Again, what soil is made of? Okay, as what the video say, soil is made up of air, water, minerals, and organic matter. Okay, so again, soil is made up of air, remember that one, water, minerals, and organic matter. Okay, what is air? Okay, air also is one of the most important thing that soils need. And the next one is the water. Yes. Okay, and the other one is the minerals. Minerals are those small bits of rocks, right? Okay, and the organic matter, those are, okay, decaying animals and decaying plants, and it turns into organic matter, right? Yeah, that is the soil made up. Okay, now, some animals live in soil. Okay, so there are also animals that live in the soil. So here are some examples. The first is some worms lives in soil. Yes, just like this one, the worms. Okay, the worms live in the soil. Okay, they are the one who eat those dead animals and dead decaying plants, right? Yeah, and after that, okay, they will poop, and then their poop turns into a very nutritious soil, or a very fertile soil, right? Okay, and they are worms. Okay, again, some worms live in soil. Okay, another example here. Okay, some moles live in the soil. Okay, teacher, what is moles? Can I see what is moles is? Just like this. Okay, just like a small rat, right? Okay, moles is just like this. Okay, they dig in the soil, and after that they will stay there. Okay, they live in the soil. Okay, that is a moles. Okay, another one. Okay, there's more. Ants, centipedes, and some spiders live in soil too. Okay, remember, some ants, centipedes, and some spiders, okay, live in soil also. Okay, just like, for example, these ants. Okay, these ants live in the soil, right? And this is the centipedes and the spider. Okay, so these are some examples of some animals that live in the soil. Okay, now next, plant grows their roots in soil also. Yes, great. Okay, plants grow their roots in soil, just like this one, an eggplant. Okay, an eggplant, their roots grow in the soil, right? Okay, so these are the roots of these plants. Okay, now let's have an overview about our discussion. Okay, a while ago we discussed about soil, and we also talk about what soil is made of. As I told you, soil is made of air, water, minerals, and organic matter, right? Yes. Okay, and there are we also talk about some animals live in soils. Those are moles, centipedes, ants, worms, and some spiders. Okay, they live in the soil, but there's more animals that live in the soil, right? Okay, now next, and we also talk about that plants grow their roots in the soil. Okay, now this time it's time for us to have our activity. It's activity time, and kindly answer your live worksheet activity given by your teacher. Okay, for our live worksheet activity, this is our direction. Answer the questions. Okay, we have here 3 questions, and then you're going to select what is the best answer. Okay, now in question number 1, okay, I will give you an example for question number 1. So the question here is, what is soil made up of? Again, what is soil made up of? So, you are going to select the soil is made up of ice cream and hamburger. The next is, the soil is made up of air, water, minerals, and organic matter. So what do you think is the answer here? Okay, choice number 2. Okay, very good. Okay, and for number 2 until number 3, you will be the one who answer it by yourself. Okay, thank you. So, that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, and see you soon, students. Goodbye.